Hey there, it's Jazzy and welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be talking about some credit card news that Chase has just released a limited time offer for one of their credit cards. Chase is offering a limited time sign-up bonus for their Freedom Unlimited credit card, which is to double your cash back. Chase will match all of the cash back that you earned within the first 12 months of opening the card, and looking at their points earning categories, they turn to be 10% back on travel purchased through Chase's Ultimate Rewards portal, 10% back on Lyft, 6% back on dining at restaurants, including takeout and eligible delivery services, 6% back on drugstore purchases, and 3% back on all other purchases. There is no minimum spending to redeem this cashback offer, and this card has no annual fees. However, you might need to still decide if this offer is still a good one for you, as you can either choose this double the cashback bonus offer, or you can go back to their regular offer where you would just get $200 after you spend $500 within the first 3 months of owning the card. So let's go over some break-even points to see if this double the points would make sense for you. So to reach the regular offer amount of getting $200 back, in the all other purchases category, you would have to spend at least $13,333 within that first year. So that is the lowest points earning category, but let's go over the dining category. For the dining category, you get the 6% cashback match, so to reach the $200, you would have to spend at least $6,667 in that first year. And finally, for the highest cashback category of 10% back with the travel, you would have to spend $4,000 to reach $200 back. So it really depends on how much you spend with the points, and then of course you're probably going to be doing some mix and matching among different categories, so somewhere your spending would be in between there. So the verdict is, if you're not a high spender, probably you should go with the regular offer. But if you do see yourself spending a lot of money in these categories, then maybe getting this double the points back would be the best for you. And looking at this new offer, it's really not bad, because if you compare other credit cards on the market, especially credit cards that have no annual fees, getting 6% cash back is pretty hard to find. And also the regular category of getting 3% cash back is pretty huge, because it at least beats the Citi Double Cash card as well as Discover's cashback card. Next, let's go over who qualifies. If you don't already own the Chase Freedom Unlimited card and have not received a new card member bonus for the card in the past 24 months, you are eligible to apply and get this new sign-up bonus. Also, if you're holding the Chase Freedom Flex or the old Freedom, then you can still apply for this card and receive this new sign-up bonus. The cashback for this card also does not expire unless you happen to close this card account. Also, there are a few benefits with getting the Chase Freedom Unlimited card, so let's go over a few of them. For one, there is purchase protection with the card, so if you experience any theft or damage within the first 120 days of purchasing an item, you're covered up to $500 per claim. You also get trip cancellation insurance, as well as the auto rental collision damage waiver, which is secondary coverage. So let me know what your thoughts are in the comments below. Do you think this brand new offer of getting double the cash back is actually worth it? Or would you personally go with the regular offer of just getting that $200? Anyway, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in another video. Bye!